Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall themes from your Google Chrome browser. Now, to remove themes is slightly different compared to when you remove extensions in Google Chrome. And to do that, you just click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go to extensions and click on manage extensions. And you would see the extensions here that you can quickly manage. But there's also another way how to do this. And also that's where you also find themes. So let me show you how to find that. Open up the Chrome Web Store. You can access it as well from the left hand side right here. And once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And here you'll find my themes and extensions, or my extensions and themes. So here you can remove the extensions as well, as you can see here. So if you don't want something, you can click on remove and you remove it. That's, for example, an extension. Now the theme is the same thing. You just simple click and remove it. And that's all that you have to do, guys.